Christina is a 40-year-old yoga instructor. She's fit, takes good care of herself, never really sick a day in her life, until the day she was diagnosed with an aggressive form of breast cancer. After an equally aggressive treatment regimen of surgery, radiation, and toxic chemotherapy, Christina was cured. She was declared cancer-free, and she went on to pick up her life. Then, a few months later, she learned that her cancer had spread to the brain. Of the 250,000 new breast cancer cases in the United States each year, over 15%, 40,000 individuals, will develop metastatic brain cancer. And their treatment options will be similar to Christina's, essentially a cycle of surgery, radiation, and toxic chemotherapy. And these treatments may extend life for a few months or a year, but they will be burdened with debilitating side effects. We believe another treatment option is possible. Cancer cells growing in the breast rely on an abundant source of glucose in the circulation for survival and growth. But in the brain, the extracellular levels of glutamate are too low to support survival of most cancer cells. This apparent paradox was solved by John Weihua, our chief scientific officer, who discovered that cancer cells that have migrated to the brain can survive there because they have evolved the ability to make their own glucose. Based on this discovery, we formed Metabocentric Biotechnologies, where we are developing non-toxic therapeutics to block the glucose-generating capability of cancer cells growing in the brain. In animal studies, we have shown that targeting this mechanism leads to shrinkage or elimination of metastatic brain cancer in 80% of animals tested. And Metabocentric holds an exclusive worldwide license to 2 University of Houston patents that protect the intellectual property that forms the foundation of our therapeutic approach. Our team consists of John Weihua, Jim Briggs, and myself, all professors of biochemistry at the University of Houston. Together, we bring over 50 years of research experience as principal investigators in fields of cancer biology, structural biology, and neuroscience. We are currently working to complete our preclinical studies, the animal studies. After completion of phase 1 clinical trials, we will license to or seek acquisition by a major pharmaceutical firm such as Roche or Merck. We estimate the total addressable market for metastatic brain cancer to be in excess of $3.5 billion per year in the US alone. And we are seeking expertise and financial resources to help us to complete the preclinical and phase 1 clinical trials so that we will be in a strong position to establish strategic partnerships with Big Pharma. I'm Michael Rea with Metabocentric Biotechnologies. We hope that you will join us in our quest to eliminate metastatic brain cancer.